Foldables just got serious again. Samsung is done playing it safe, and the brand new Galaxy Z Fold7 proves it. Bigger screens, powerful cameras, thinner design, and even Android 16 out of the box. But is it finally worth the hype? You're watching AI Pro Tech, your home for smart tech breakdowns. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, because we bring you the truth behind every major gadget drop. Both screens use Samsung's high-end dynamic LTPO AMLD tech with 120Hz refresh rates and HDR10+ support. It depends on how much you relied on the stylus. Unfortunately, Dolby Vision is still missing. But brightness levels are impressive. Peaking around 1400 nits outdoors, the Galaxy Z Fold7 isn't just a small upgrade, it's a clear step forward. It's thinner, lighter, and smarter, while still keeping that signature foldable experience alive. The Fold7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, a custom-tuned chip with 4.47 GHz prime cores and the new Adreno 830 GPU. Bass is a bit flat, and loudness scored average in our testing. But vocals and highs are crisp, so media consumption is still solid. It's blazing fast, cool under pressure, and ready for high-refresh gaming without compromise. Samsung didn't just polish things. They introduced Galaxy AI in a big way. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the front, and titanium reinforcements give it a more premium, durable feel. It even survived a few drop tests and early leaks. Multimodal AI circled the search in games, Gemini-powered smart views, cross-screen interactions make this feel like a futuristic productivity tool. You can even ask Gemini about your outfit using FlexCam, and it'll give you clothing suggestions based on the weather at your destination. After a couple of quiet years, Samsung is finally making real moves in the foldable game. The cover screen is now 6.5 inches, and the inner display has expanded to a massive 8 inches. You'll need to grab a 25 West Samsung or PD-compatible PPS charger to unlock fast charging. The main sensor, A20MP ISOCELL HP2 from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Pro Tech, because we break down every next-gen release with real talk and no hype. Honestly, yes. It finally addresses the pain points from previous generations: bulk, cameras, and software. It's not perfect, but it's the first fold that feels complete. You also get a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 12MP ultra-wide that now supports autofocus. Even the internal selfie cam is upgraded to 10MP with a much wider field of view. The S Pen support is gone, yes, but that sacrifice allowed Samsung to slim things down and give us larger displays. A fair trade, under the hood, we're talking next-gen power. Storage options go all the way up to 1 TB with 16 GB RAM, using superfast UFS 4.0, that's desktop-level speed in your pocket. Now, let's talk cameras, because this is where Samsung finally caught up. Battery, still 4,400 mAh. And despite the slim body, Samsung didn't compromise on size. The Snapdragon 8 Elite brings better efficiency, giving the Z Fold7 respectable screen end times. That said, charging speeds remain a weak point: 25W wired and 15 West wireless. Not great, but Samsung does offer good battery health tools, like charge limit settings and thermal protections. Audio-wise, the stereo speakers are decent, but not class-leading. One UI 8, based on Android 16, is one of the biggest software shifts here. Design-wise, the Z Fold7 is sleeker than ever, 4.2mm thin when open and 8.9mm folded, with a new Armor Flex hinge that's more durable and compact. Unboxing is minimal. No charger inside, just a USB-C cable. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold7 the foldable to beat in 2025? If this review helped you decide, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech lovers.